Hello guys, today we are going to see about audio service cannot start error 0x80070005 access is denied in Windows 11. Let's fix this guys. Go to start search menu and type registry editor registry try right click, run as administrator, click yes and go ahead to H key local machine, go to system, go to current control set and go to services. In services you need to search audio SRV. Audio SRV here is in right side. You need to double click on depend on service, double click on it and you need to delete this word using backspace and come down and backspace again. Value data RPC capital S and small s be there. Click OK guys. That's it guys, and go back again and go and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this tutorial will definitely work for you. Thumbs up guys.